I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Traveller in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, you get 17-inch alloy wheels, electric sliding side doors, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior, the front seats are both heated with massage function. The touchscreen comes with sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, there's also blind spot detection, speed limit recognition. Let's have a look around. Has the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower. The car's done under 8,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.